Bakara to the Pizza, our expect for them to go on Roya. Kalash community, our Kalash community was supposed to be here. The purely Sirpivity or them facts, even Bojamoy. It was wonderful to see all of you here, and especially the other your guests and everything. Kalash community representation यहाँ पर होना चाहिए, because I don't think you are separate different people. आप एक ही community के लोग हैं, तो ये सारा कुछ देख के मुझे बहुत ही मजा आया। जो खुशी तो मैंने पहले कभी देखी थी ग्राउंड में, लेकिन स्नो के अंदर जो इसका है वो बहुत मजा है उसका। So it was so nice to see all of you here, and thank you very much for everything. Yeah, obviously, because the announcement from Deputy Commissioner was just 2 days back. Like that was not enough time to accommodate the people, to invite the people, all of the people here. Probably I would post it, and a lot of people they will be aware of it next time. I expect a lot more people to be here and see the event, because it is graceful, it is wonderful, and it is the only thing is, it was not announced. It was announced too late, because I personally promote होगा तो सारा कुछ इस वजह से होगा, जब आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग प्रमोट होंगे, बाहर से भी लोग आ जाएंगे. It will be wonderful. Thank you very much. Thank you. बहुत मेहरबानी.
Higala, no ve, fraki gelo, da çordum. Yo. Bukan barkas biti bagani. Buz kaşıyor barkas kol bagani bagani.